Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forward from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 28th, 2020. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. We did see red pretty much across the screen on Friday. The Dow was down 730 points by the end of the session, and what you'll see on a lot of charts this week are lower highs and lower lows. Many of them have turned that corner. The Dow here very close to taking out this low, but was rejected twice here, actually 3 times at the 200 period moving average here. So looks likely that we'll take out that low this week. The S&P 500 down almost 75 points and closed below the 200 as well. There we'll have to see if there's follow through. Nasdaq was down 260 points, big reversal there as well, although it is just right back to that 20 period moving average. And the Russell was also down 34.5 points this week, and has a series of lower highs there. TLT, the ETF for the 20-year Treasury, had a nice bounce on Friday. Crude also gaining 18 cents or 0.47%, while gold was up 970 or about half a percentage point. And it looks like it has put in a successful retest of the high range of this recent consolidation area here. Nice hammer type candle here. Looks like we're getting ready for a nice little burst there. If we take a bit of a broader look at the market and take a look at some of the different sector ETFs, energy sector here pulling back a little here by the end of this week. XLF financials have really tailed down here and not only have put in lower highs, but have put in lower lows. Yes, we're above the cloud, but that can change very quickly. Technology looking very much like the Nasdaq market. Big reversal on Friday, but sits on that upsloping 20, while XLP, the consumer staples ETF, is another one where we did confirm lower highs and lower lows, and we're near the bottom of this consolidation range. So this one, look for a potential breakout below the lower range of this channel and a retest of the March lows here coming up. XLU, you can see this one has a series of lower highs, put in a lower low a while ago, continues to drop here, closing lower on Friday. Healthcare, right back to that 200 period moving average here, and does have lower highs, but hasn't tripped the low just yet. XLY, consumer discretionary, getting very close to that low as well. Momentum also flattening out. Real estate sector, lower highs, lower lows already in. Not looking very good there. And industrials, same thing. Series of lower highs. Now we have a lower low. What else? We have materials. Lower highs getting very close to that lower low. Many of these are still above the cloud. Oh, wow. I had switched trading platforms, thought that would take care of this error, and here it is again. My apologies. Okay, let's continue on. We're able to get rid of it. Let's hope it doesn't come back. Communication sector, big move lower, and again moving below that prior low. So now we have lower highs and lower lows. And finally retail, closing right near that 20, but look at price, moved from above to below that 20, came back to retest it, was rejected, and now is sitting on the 200 period moving average. For news this week, it is a short week. Friday is a holiday, and the markets will be closed. But Monday we get pending home sales. Tuesday we get the Red Book report, Chicago PMI, and consumer confidence. Wednesday we get MBA mortgage apps. We get the ADP non-farm payroll numbers, manufacturing PMI, construction spending, ISM manufacturing, crude oil inventories, along with total vehicle sales and the FOMC meeting minutes. Big day on Wednesday. Thursday, we get jobless claims, factory orders, and U.S. Baker rig count, along with the main employment report. What would normally be scheduled on the Friday, but because Friday's the holiday, we're going to get that employment situation report on Thursday, along with the jobless claims number. So Thursday will be all about jobs, and we'll go from there. But really, back to the indices here. If we look at the Dow, we're getting dangerously close to that low. The S&P 500 broke the 200. Let's see if there's follow through and we take out this low and go from there. But so far, we've had a few negative days here, and it looks like this may escalate this coming week. So that's what we'll be keeping an eye on. Now, tomorrow, being Monday, June 29th, we are having another live market chat. It kicks off at 1 p.m. Eastern. I hope to see you there. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on our next update.